Hey there, are you concerned about your future career? Have you considered what skills are useful in your career progress? Or just seeking inspiration and insights from notable alumni in industries you're interested in? If you've answered yes to any, NTU's Career and Attachment Office is proud to bring you a series entitled Building Skills and Paving Pathways, where we feature NTU alumni sharing their journeys, struggles and successes, and key skills they develop for their career progress. We will focus on 3 categories of skills: intrapersonal skills, interpersonal skills, and intellectual skills. It's the combination of these skills that make you more employable and derive greater meaning and satisfaction in your career. So if that's important for you, do subscribe to CAO's YouTube channel and stay tuned for future episodes.